Hi, Olivia.
Olivia, do you remember when we went to the Zoological Museum?
Yeah, that was really fun.
We saw a lot of dinosaur fossil and a fish fossil and many different kind animal fossil. That was so fun. So
Yep.
today we are learning to draw the fossil, the fish fossil.
Let's begin, guys.
Easy and very cool thing. First of all, we draw a fish bone, a fish skull. Right here. Okay. Here is a fish eye. And then we draw the fish backbone. It's called fish vertebrae. So I'm gonna draw a little bit arc line first.
Not an arc line. Actually, you're correct.
Yeah.
It's kind of an arc line.
And
A little bit. Not really, though.
draw the second one, like here.
Second one.
You see, I'm finished this part. I'm connect together like this. Okay. And now we draw the pointy part, the backbone, the pointy part like this. Actually, you could draw bigger a little bit. And this longer and this is getting smaller, right? Getting smaller.
Mine are just different size.
And getting smaller. And this part is the fish tail. So we're gonna draw some the fish tail bone, like here. Okay, like here. Okay. Did you draw the fish bone, the fish tail?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. So now I'm gonna around the fishbone shape. And this part, like here. And this the bone part. I'm gonna do this shape. Okay. Okay. And now we draw the part of the fossil.
Yep.
The first draw a shape of the stone. So the stone.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna draw the stone like not very arc, a little bit pointy sometimes. Okay. And then we draw the thickness of the stone to make it look more 3D. So I'm gonna follow this shape, okay? So like here. And here's a connect. Let me connect. Gotta clean up there here a little bit. Okay. Yep.
The easiest way for me to do 3D is just put down line where it's like square, and then you can do it.
And for like this part,
Yeah.
you already do this part, so you better just, put the lines on here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like.
Looks like we're ready.
Okay. Are you ready for coloring?
Nope.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, I'm the young one, so I'm small. She's the big one because she's the big grown-up.
This is mommy fish fossils, baby fish fossil. Yeah, actually we only use like a 3 color, right? Yeah, one is deeper brown, lighter brown, and here a little bit like shadow color. So pretty easy and looks cool. I really love it. Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below and be sure to draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give a thumbs up.
Bye bye.